These are the sugar cookies we made tonight. This is a letter for Santa's reindeer, how they are supposed to find our house. And then this is a letter to Santa telling him thank you for his presents. So,
we're gonna sprinkle on the deck so Santa can see the Christmas tree is.
Good.
The big one right there.
Great idea.
Here, I'll get it.
This one.
Okay, walk out there on the deck. Here, I can see it sparkling. That's pretty.
That's all.
Perfect. Good job. Mitch, come on. Andy, come on.
It's snowing.
It's not snowing. You see it?
I see it all. I see it there for the reindeer.
Yeah!
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My mom and daddy.
Yes. Are you ready for Santa?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is he?
He's coming. Now the reindeer can smell this and they'll get their treat when they stop.
On the
Hey.
deck?
Are you gonna see him? Are you gonna catch him? Tell me how.
I'm gonna rest me on my bed. I'm gonna give him a big hug.
Really?
Cause he's my favorite guy against one of his presents.
How do you sneak? Don't you have to be quiet? How do you do it?
Like this.
Oh.
Santa and his elf came. Come see.
Two of them are gone. Look under that tree.
Present!
Santa and his elfers.
That was the big thing.
Looking at big school bus!
Thanks, Santa. Did you see who Santa was? That's all this time.
It's Batman clothes! I love you, Santa!
to Dad.
I'll just play with it right now.
Okay.
I'll make some music and see how it goes. I bet Santa already fixed my present. Thank you, Dad. I love Santa.
Okay, here, hop down. I'm gonna give it to you. This one's not really a toy, okay?
This is a real guitar.
This is a real guitar.
Nice. Whoa! I love this stuff.
Mitch, how are you? Polly. We have Santa and his elf right here. Huh. You gonna come help me make pancakes? I'm gonna make some Grinch pancakes for Slade and Skylar and me, and I will show you the recipe. It's not like a super healthy recipe by any means, but I feel like it's important to have like a moderation in diet and have some fun foods and then supplement with mostly healthy but occasional treats. So we're gonna have not the most healthy breakfast this morning, but that's okay. The baby craves sweets like crazy, so I'm sure the baby won't be sad about pancakes for breakfast. 1 cup and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then here is 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk mixed with 1 egg. So I'm going to put this into there, and then we'll get that mixed up.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Alright, and here I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to mix this together. I'm going to dump it in our batter, and then we'll add our green food coloring, and that will be the last ingredient.
To have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come.
Put some green food coloring inside a tub of whipped cream. Whoops, it melted. I'm making waffles with the rest of the batter. There's one that came out. Here we go.
Feeling now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I can't believe today is December 25th. This year has gone by extremely fast in ways and very slow in others. I haven't done a video for quite a while, and I really wanted to try to film something today just to have some memories, at least for my family and of Slade, because this will be his last Christmas as an only child. But yeah, I'm going to do a whole separate video on like a life update, where I've been, how I've been feeling, and changes that are coming to my channel, because as you've noticed, I've changed the name of my channel. It was a nickname I had growing up by some friends, so I don't know, I like it, it's different, so I changed it to that, and I'm changing my channel completely in a lot of ways. So I will do a video on that later on this week or next week. Let's see, sorry I'm out of breath. I think it's just like pregnancy, I can't breathe as easily as I used to. I'm also going to start doing regular updates on my pregnancy and showing you my bump update and my pregnancy craving symptoms, all that stuff. So anyway, but I wanted to film a little bit of Slade opening his presents, and then I'm also going to be doing a drawing for the giveaway I had on my homemade pumpkin pie video. I was supposed to do that a couple weeks ago, and when I tell you guys our life update, you'll understand why I didn't get to it. But I'm going to start being more regular on my videos. That's basically one of my New Year's resolutions, even though life has been so crazy and so hard for us the last probably 6 weeks. It's been really, really tough for our family. I want to film it and share my journey with you guys. So anyway, I will kind of give you more of an update of what's going on in a separate video. But first, I did get some mail from some really good friends, and it just like totally made me smile because I'm not used to getting mail from anyone yet. And it was like the best surprise. So hold on, let me get some scissors and we'll open up the box. Alright, so the first card I got was this cute Christmas card from a really good friend, Lila and Scruffy. You guys are the best. I will link their channel down below. She's so sweet. She has the cutest little dog. I think I mentioned her in another video because she also sent me a Halloween card as well. So I just absolutely love her and her little dog. They're from California, and they're just so kind, and they just make me smile. And I got another Christmas card, and that is such a pretty card. Thank you guys so much. You know who you are, and you just totally made my day because, as I said earlier, this has been one of the roughest months I've had in probably 5 to 7 years. It's been lots of tears, lots of sickness. So anyway, you guys are the best. And then I also got this package, let's see, from Lila and Scruffy. I'm going to open it up. I don't want to show her address, so let me open it up and I'll show you what's inside. Alright, so what was in the box from Lila and Scruffy? There's three different things. And so I'm going to open up the first one. Oh my gosh, I've heard so many good things about this company, and I've never actually had anything from this company, believe it or not. And I'm such a skincare freak, so thank you guys so much for that. Let's see. And some hand cream. And some socks. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. I cannot say thank you, Lila and Scruffy, for thinking of us like that. That is so awesome. Oh, and look at that pillow. Horses leave footprints on your heart. They sure do. Oh my heck. Thank you, Lila. That is so sweet of you. And then the last one. She says, horses aren't my whole life, but they make my life whole. Little dish towel. That is so cute. Oh my heck. This will fit perfect in our house too, Lila. We have kind of a country home. Oh my heck. Look at how cute, you guys. That is so awesome. Whoever said that money can't buy happiness never owned a horse. You guys see that? Isn't that so sweet? and she got me 2 of those. Violet, if you're watching this video, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You are such a dear friend and mean so much to me, and I cannot say thank you enough, especially after this month. I know I've said it multiple times already, but that just brought the biggest smile to my face, and I love you so much. So I might do a short workout this morning, just trying to get my body moving and trying to stay active a little bit, because I am slowly starting to feel better, which is great. And I am now 16 and a half weeks pregnant, so it's crazy. I'm going to be filming a video, and I've already filmed it, I just haven't uploaded it, of my first trimester and what my bump looked like at 13 weeks, and then I will do another video here in another week or 2 showing you when I turn 17 weeks pregnant. I'll show you my bump at 17 weeks and kind of all my symptoms so far going into the second trimester. And yeah, so I hope you guys are all having a Merry Christmas, and I love you all, and I'll see you in a minute. Alright, you guys, this is what we are having for Christmas dinner. And what this is it is some jumbo buttermilk biscuits that you cook. And I cooked up some ground sausage. This is elk sausage. I pulled a little bit out for Wally to have. And then I sprinkle it with cheese, zucchini, and then right here I have a package of country gravy mix and some eggs. Now I'll pour that on it, cover it, bake it at 350 for about 45 to 50 minutes, and it looks delicious. We've never actually had this before, so I'll let you know what it looks like when it comes out. Alright, you guys, Slade wanted to draw the 3 names of the 3 winners of the giveaway that we did on the deep cleaning, how to get stains out of your tile video. So he is going to draw 3 names, and we're going to see who the winner of the jewelry is. Let's mix. Here, hold on. Let's mix the names. Alright, and just to remind you guys, this was one of the items. This was the second one, and this was the third one. So it'll just be a random draw. Whatever 3 names win, I will just pick one and mail to you guys. So I'm not sure who will get which. Alright, so the first is Jillian Marie. She is the first winner. Congrats, Jillian. The second one is JDee. And the third one is Oh Me, Oh Mom. Congrats, you guys. If you want to email me your address, my email is in the, nope, that's it, bud. My email is in the description box below. And so email me or DM me your address on Instagram. And my Instagram is also in the description box. So I will just pick one of these for each of you guys, and I'll get them sent out. Hopefully I can hear back from you guys by Friday, and I'll get them sent out by Friday. And I love you all. Thank you for watching. Thanks for doing the giveaway, Slade, or the drawing. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy New Year. Bye.